29T. This is a fully upgraded version from last year, which was a Westridge 2.1. I'm going to bring up the Spurt. I love comparisons. 29-inch tire. This one is 2.1. Yeah, I knew. You can tell just by looking at the tire. So here's the difference too. Like, oh, what's the difference between a 2.1 and a 2.2? Visually, you can see that difference. 2.2 versus 2.1 makes a difference. So, taller people, if you've watched the video on the Spurt that we did, we were very excited to have a bike that had a bigger frame that we could offer our taller people. 22. So there you go. So same distance between here and here. This one you cannot extend because it comes with this mechanism. I mean, you could, but you'd be losing the lift up and down. You can always extend that one. But I like the width of the handlebars on this one too. But I digress, because what I want you to see is the frame difference, and there's not a lot. So this is a good comparison to two 29-inch tire bikes for bigger people. The weight difference is extraordinary between this bike and that bike. This bike weighs like this bike's 90 pounds. So the mag wheels make a difference as well. They're great, but they do make the bike much heavier. Even the frame girth is not that big of a difference, but the weight in this one, obviously your rack, your metal, oh no, these are plastic, that's great as well, but holy wow, what a difference. So if you're looking for a light, maneuverable, taller bike, Westridge 29T. And these are the same price, by the way. So you don't even have that to be concerned about.